Get educated. Number one, check our social media out. We have a bunch of tips and tricks. Reach out to me directly. I can send you, I've done like 10 hours of videos, which is kind of like a crash course on self-storage investing. So you can reach out to me. Just send it. My email is info@titanwealthgroup.com. You can also reach me at fernando@impactselfstorage.com as well. And the biggest thing is just get out there, right? Don't get analysis paralysis. It happens to a lot of people. I was an engineer in a previous life, so I know what it's like to, be shocked by numbers and just never take action. Just give me a call. If you have a deal that you're looking at, run it by me real quick. And who knows, potentially I'll buy it off you, or we can partner as an equity source. Or if maybe that seems super hard for you and you don't want to do it yourself and you just have a pile of cash sitting around, or an open balance sheet that you can guarantee loans with, give me a call and we can work that way, right? I'll give you my cell phone number. It's area code 630-408-8090. That's my real number. Feel free to text or call me. I'll answer usually within 24 hours.